I found a Highboy F-250 1979 on Facebook Marketplace for $500, dude. Thing looks good too. Anyways, this is one of those opportunities where we have to go and get it ASAP and not let someone else get it out from behind us, all right? All right, so here it is, 1979 F-250. Got the running lights on the roof, dude. I'm pumped about that. Body's pretty darn straight. Even the trim's pretty legit. All right, getting back at it another day. We got the truck unloaded, and right now we're just cleaning off the moss and everything with it. Found this amazing product thanks to a friend of mine, this 30-day outdoor cleaner for algae, moss, and mold and stuff like that. We've been using it on the truck here. Let me turn the camera around. So it's just clean all this right up. If you guys been following on my TikTok, you'll see what it's been doing. So right now we're totally gonna get after it. This stuff is amazing. 30-second outdoor cleaner. You want me to, you want to sponsor the channel, dude? We got a lot of bossy old nasty trucks around here. All right, see this side right here? How just clapped out, freaking not clapped out, but it's just all grunged and everything like that. Like this is all grunged, nasty, dried. Yeah, dude. It's just like this. This is just, yeah, old, dry algae. All right, let's get to work and getting this thing cleaned up. Okay, how about that? Dude, yeah, this stuff is crazy awesome. I mean, look at how well the front end cleaned up. Get it in here, like all I did was spray it in there a little bit and blast those out. I mean, wow, guys, just cleaned her up good. I am ultra impressed. All right, so we're gonna end up hitting this corner right over here, and we're losing a little bit of our lighting and stuff like that, but the light coming through the trees pretty okay. So we're gonna sit up, go ahead and shoot this real quick. All right, 30-second super cleaning, 30-second outdoor cleaner, dude, for algae, moss, mold, and other stuff. I'm impressed. I'm sold. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys to go buy something that's trash. This just blew me out of the water, like how good it is. Okay, but I'll tell you, it took pretty much the whole bottle to do the truck here. I've got a little bit left in it, so my dispersion is not great on it and stuff like that. I need one of those big things, those big pumpers, outdoor jobbers. Probably get one of their big bottles to do a vehicle properly and everything like that. We're just going around and hand squeeze and pumping this thing, and I don't know, just effing off with it. It says to put it on there for 3 minutes, and then spray it off. Whenever I squirt it on there, I do like the bedside. Once that's done, I just start washing over, I'm not following the directions on it. I'm blown away. Do I think this is a good product? Yeah, this is a good product. This does everything that it says it would too, and then some. So probably wouldn't use it on really nice paint, all right? This is old paint, vehicle that's got moss and algae on it. You're not worried about messing it up. You don't want to put this on a newer vehicle, okay? Like those you'll want to take some time with. Tomorrow we're gonna dive into the Bronco. Get out there, get stuck in on your projects. Tell me how they're going. Let me know. Comment down below. We'll talk to you later.